Sound frequencies play a profound role in shaping our existence. Among the countless notes that compose the cosmic melody, there exists a collection known as the sacred sound frequencies, or Solfeggio frequencies. These frequencies have captivated seekers, healers, and spiritual enthusiasts throughout the ages, promising a harmonious resonance that reaches the depths of the soul. In this video, we will step into the fascinating world of sound frequencies, unraveling the history, significance, and the scientific underpinnings of the Solfeggio frequencies. To comprehend the mystique surrounding the sacred sound frequencies, one must first grasp the concept of sound frequencies. Sound, in its essence, is a form of energy, manifested as vibrations that propagate through a medium, such as air, water, or solids. Created by the oscillation of an object, these waves travel in rhythmic patterns, stimulating the ear's sensory receptors. As these vibrations reach the ear, they trigger a sensory response, allowing us to perceive the diverse range of auditory experiences that enrich our understanding of the world. The frequency determines the pitch, while amplitude affects volume. The frequency of a sound wave is determined by the number of oscillations per unit of time, measured in hertz. Each frequency corresponds to a specific pitch, with higher frequencies producing higher-pitched sounds. These frequencies, whether audible or inaudible to the human ear, have the power to influence our emotions, thoughts, and even our physical well-being. The Solfeggio frequencies, a subset of these vibrational frequencies, are believed to possess unique properties that go beyond mere auditory stimulation. The roots of the Solfeggio frequencies trace back to an ancient musical scale, known as the Solfeggio scale, attributed to Guido d'Arezzo, a medieval music theorist. This scale consisted of 6 notes: ut, re, mi, fa, sol, and la. In the 11th century, an additional note psi was introduced, forming the precursor to the modern diatonic scale. However, it was in the 20th century that Dr. Joseph Puleo and Dr. Leonard Horowitz researched the mysterious history of these frequencies. According to their research, the Solfeggio frequencies were rediscovered in the biblical Book of Numbers, where a sequence of numbers associated with the frequencies was revealed. This discovery fueled the belief that these frequencies held profound spiritual and healing properties. Advocates of the Solfeggio frequencies attribute their potency to their alignment with the vibrational frequencies of the universe. It is believed that these frequencies resonate with the energy centers of the body, known as chakras, facilitating a harmonious balance between the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of an individual. Scientific studies have explored the impact of sound frequencies on the human body and mind, providing a plausible foundation for the effectiveness of the Solfeggio frequencies. Resonance, the phenomenon where one vibrating object imparts its energy to another object of the same natural frequency, is considered a key mechanism by which these frequencies may induce healing. While the Solfeggio frequencies have deep historical and spiritual roots, modern science has also begun to explore their potential benefits. Research in the field of sound therapy and vibrational medicine has shed light on the impact of specific frequencies on human physiology and psychology. One notable study conducted by Dr. David Simon and Dr. Deepak Chopra found that chanting specific mantras associated with the Solfeggio frequencies produced a positive impact on the cardiovascular and nervous systems. The researchers observed a reduction in heart rate, blood pressure, and respiratory rate, indicating a potential link between these frequencies and the relaxation response. Moreover, the field of cymatics, the study of visible sound and vibration, has provided visual evidence of the transformative power of sound frequencies. Patterns formed by sand or liquid on vibrating surfaces mirror the harmonic patterns associated with the Solfeggio frequencies, offering a tangible representation of their potential influence on matter. The Solfeggio frequencies consist of a set of 9 frequencies, each carrying its unique properties and applications. 174 Hz is associated with the reduction of pain and building a solid foundation for consciousness. It is used for grounding and establishing a sense of security. 285 Hz, aimed at enhancing cognition and mental clarity, is believed to stimulate the brain's higher functions and promote learning. 396 Hz, known for its potential to release feelings of guilt and fear, is often used in meditation to promote emotional release and healing. 417 Hz is frequented for promoting change and undoing negative situations. It is thought to facilitate transformation and encourage positive outcomes. 528, often referred to as the love frequency, is associated with DNA repair, healing, and the activation of positive transformation. 639 is aimed at enhancing interpersonal relationships and promoting connection. It is used to facilitate communication and harmonize relationships. 741 Hz, believed to promote self-expression and problem-solving, utilized for enhancing creativity and finding solutions to challenges. 852 Hz is associated with the activation of intuition and spiritual awareness. It is used in meditation to enhance spiritual insights and connection. 963 Hz is believed to stimulate and activate the pineal gland. It is associated with higher states of consciousness and spiritual awakening. The application of the solfeggio frequencies extends beyond passive listening, encompassing various practices and therapies aimed at harnessing their potential. Solfeggio frequencies are incorporated into meditation practices for enhanced focus and spiritual connection. Sound healers use instruments tuned to specific frequencies to facilitate healing and balance in individuals. Practitioners chant or listen to chants based on the solfeggio frequencies as a form of affirmation for emotional release and spiritual growth. They use the frequencies to balance the energy centers in the body, promoting overall well-being. Composers and musicians also incorporate the solfeggio frequencies into their compositions to create music with therapeutic effects. Stepping into the world of sacred sound frequencies unlocks a treasure chest overflowing with historical intrigue, spiritual resonance, and scientific exploration. From their ancient origins in the solfeggio scale to their modern resurgence in the field of vibrational medicine, these frequencies continue to captivate and inspire. The belief in the transformative power of sound is not merely a mystical notion, but finds validation in scientific studies exploring the impact of frequencies on human physiology and psychology. The individual characteristics of each of the 9 solfeggio frequencies, coupled with their diverse applications, offer a holistic approach to healing and spiritual growth. Next time we cover this topic, we will unravel the workings of the ethereal essence embedded within these frequencies. If you discovered insights or found value in this video, I encourage you to express your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay connected and do not miss out on the forthcoming revelations that promise to unveil the hidden facets of the ethereal fabric surrounding these frequencies. Thank you for your continued support.